Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili oil. First, gather your essential ingredients: dried red chilies, a neutral oil like canola or grapeseed, and aromatics such as garlic and ginger. Make sure your chilies are completely dry and clean. You'll also need a heat-safe jar or container to store your delicious homemade chili oil once it's ready. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Next, let's prepare our aromatics and chilies. Roughly chop your garlic and ginger. These will infuse the oil with wonderful flavor. Then, grind or crush your dried chilies to a coarse texture. You don't want a fine powder, but rather small flakes. Combine these ground chilies with a pinch of salt in your heat-safe jar. This step is crucial for developing the oil's depth. Now, for the infusion process. Heat your neutral oil in a saucepan over medium heat until it reaches approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important to use a thermometer to accurately monitor the temperature. Avoid letting the oil smoke, as this can impart a bitter taste. Maintaining the correct temperature is key to extracting maximum flavor from your chilies and aromatics without burning them. Finally, let's bring it all together. Carefully pour the hot oil over the prepared chilies and aromatics in your heat-safe jar. You'll hear a satisfying sizzle. Stir gently to ensure all the ingredients are fully submerged in the oil. Allow the chili oil to cool completely to room temperature before sealing the jar. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a rich and aromatic condiment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.